In today's video, I'm going to teach you the correct way to find and view archived projects in Asana using the current interface. Archiving a project is a great way to keep your workspace organized without losing important history. Archived projects are closed for editing, but all their tasks, files, and conversations are still available to reference. If you've ever wondered where they go or how to look through them, this walkthrough will make it clear. Start by looking to the left sidebar in Asana. If your window is narrow, the sidebar might be collapsed. Click the menu icon to expand it so you can see your navigation options. In that sidebar, click Projects. This brings all your project-related navigation into view so you're not hunting around in different menus. Under Projects, click Browse Projects. This opens a full page that lists projects in one place. Think of it as a catalog where you can scan through everything your team has created. It's especially handy when you want a big picture view or need to locate something that isn't active anymore. At the top of this page, find the Status drop-down. It's your filter for showing only the types of projects you want to see. Click the drop-down and select Archived. As soon as you choose Archived, the list refreshes to show only projects that have been archived. You'll know you're in the right place if the list narrows and you see older or completed initiatives you recognize. If you navigate away and return later, remember to check this filter again so you're not wondering where your active projects went. To take a closer look, click any project in the archived list to open it. Archive projects open in read-only mode. That means you can explore everything: tasks, sections, timelines, attachments, and comments without changing anything by accident. It's perfect for reviewing decisions, grabbing assets, or confirming how a past project was structured. You can still copy text or download files that were attached. You just won't be able to add tasks, mark things complete, or edit settings while it's archived. If you do need to bring a project back to life, look at the top of the project and click the small drop-down next to the project name. Select Unarchive Project. You'll only see this option if you have permission in that workspace or team. Unarchiving makes the project active again so the team can edit and update it. If you don't see the option, check with an admin or project owner. That's how you correctly find and view archived projects in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.